Here, check out that view. That's nice. Yeah, whoa. Every time he pulls, I have to use my whole body weight, or I'll get pulled right over. He's so strong. How's the weather for everybody today? We're still really cold here in Vermont. But the puppies like the cold. Hey, come on. Let's go to the trail. All right, this spot looks kind of muddy. We're gonna make our way through the mud. Moose, you wanna go through the mud? Here we go. Oh, slippery too. All right, we're gonna get on the trail into the woods, buddy. Let's go. Hey, let's go up the hill. Good boy. Nice. Yeah, we're pretty cold today. It's about 45 out. It's supposed to warm up during the week into the 60s. And then the long term looks like maybe the 70s at the end of the week. But we've had 5 or 6 days of really cold weather here and a lot of rain. We're just happy that it's not raining today. Into the woods we go, Moose. Good boy. Mark those trees. Yeah, it's been very wet and colder than normal. Here we go, up the hill. It is nice to sleep on rainy days. I like the sound of the rain. Moose likes to stand on the edge of the porch and catch the raindrops.